Hey guys, TechMentor with a video for you guys. In today's video, we're going to be unboxing a used iPhone 11 that we bought off eBay for a really good deal. This was around $230 now. This is an unlock iPhone 11, and we're going to show you the condition of phones that you can buy off eBay if you're looking to buy a phone for a discounted price and don't want to pay retail price. And we did this unboxing for other newer phones as well. We decided to do an updated one for the iPhone 11 that we got off eBay so you guys can see the condition of it, and then also give you guys some tips and tricks whenever you're buying phones off eBay or on Amazon like we did for the other unboxing videos. So if you guys also want to check the link out, it's going to be in the description section for phones that you can buy off eBay. So let's get this unboxing underway. So here, as you can see, it came in this box, really a lot of tape going on. So we're going to try to take this off here quickly. So the box here isn't the greatest, but that doesn't matter. We're just really caring about the phone. So let's go ahead and see what we got here. Alright, so looks like a lot going on here. This is a Dell box, but this is definitely not Dell. They're just reusing the box, which again, it's a good thing, you know. When you're buying pre-owned stuff, you're kind of helping the environment with the whole recycling thing and not being wasteful. So here, there's some paperwork in here that I'll put aside. And a bunch of just bubble wrap here. Especially a lot of bubble wrap. And here's the phone itself, which we're going to take a look at. And inside the box, there's just a bunch of bubble wraps, nothing else. So it's just the phone. So we still have to get a charger if you don't have a charger. But if you have an existing charger, you can also use your existing charger. That works as well. So here you can see here more bubble wrapping to go through. So let's try to use this. Hopefully, I don't want to scratch the phone accidentally, so trying to be really careful here with this box cutter. And I'm going to go pull it out from here. Oh, this is hard. Alright, so put that bubble wrap away, and then finally get access to the phone here, another baggie. So here, this is the black iPhone 11. Now, as you know, iPhone 11 comes in a bunch of different colors. Here, this one I believe was mentioned as a good condition. So when you buy phones from eBay, they generally have a grading system. This one they consider a good grading system. Back here, no cracks overall. Here, you can see light scratches because this is a back glass, but again, faint. And then the side here, you can see like the SIM tray is a little bit popping out here. I'm gonna have to push it in. And then the top here looks good. There are some little bit of nick you can see sort of on the side, and then this side. Remember, this is a pre-owned or used iPhone, so it's not going to be in excellent condition like brand new phone. But again, for someone looking for a good deal on iPhone, which the iPhone 11 is still a great device going into 2023, as we mentioned in other review videos, why this phone holds up really well still. And we're going to power it on really quick and then set it up. While the phone is powering up and we're setting it up, a couple things I want to mention for you guys is whenever you're buying from eBay, make sure you first of all look at the seller to make sure they have a lot of feedback. Generally, I like to buy from a seller that has at least 1,000 or more ratings on it. The more the better. The next thing I also want to check out, right? I want to make sure I check out the seller has a 30-day return policy. It's really important you check out they have at least a 30-day return policy, so that if I don't like the phone, I can return it. They give me a free label that you can get and send it back and get your money back without any issues, and eBay protects you from that. Also, you want to make sure the phone is, of course, compatible with your carrier. Usually unlocked phones are best to get because you can use it on pretty much any carrier, domestically and internationally. But if you get a phone specific for your carrier, you can use it for that carrier as well. So it's important to check that. And then, of course, make sure on the listing it says the phone is fully functional. Most of the time, most phones on eBay that are sold, they'll tell you if there's any issues with it up front that they'll disclose. But most of the time, they're fully functional, meaning everything works, although they're a used phone. So that's the other thing you want to check. And lastly, you want to check for the grading as well. So make sure, like, this is a good condition. Sometimes they'll grade the phone like A, B plus, B. Usually you want to get anything above a B and above. Don't go for C or fair grade. Those are usually a little bit more beat up devices. So here, as you can see, I set it up really nice and easy. It's running on the latest iOS version, I believe, or iOS 15, one of them. But it's set up without any iCloud account or anything, so you can sign into your iCloud account and start using it right away, downloading apps and such. When you buy a phone, the other thing you'll do is after you get it, you'll want to test everything out, which we did a video for you guys if you want to check that out on how to check a phone, if a phone is fully functional, right? You want to check out the volume up and down button, silent buttons, the side button, make sure everything it works as is, camera. You also want to check out things like the mic as well, so you can open up mic and do things like hello, hello, hello. Check this out. As you can see, the mic is working by a quick test of the voice memo recording. Usually I like to do that. And then checked out the camera already. And then the other thing, I also want to check out the battery to make sure the battery is good. So you can see it's a 95% battery. That's generally good for a used phone. Anything above 80 usually is good, but above 95 or 95 or better, it's usually excellent, because that means the phone has still a ton of battery life. Generally, Apple recommends to change it under 80%. But that's it for the phone here. As I mentioned, this is an unlocked phone and ready to go for us. Only $230. Came about, I believe, 3 or 4 days after we ordered it. But again, a really good deal for a phone that still holds up really well. So hopefully you guys found this quick little video helpful in buying, or if you're looking to buy phones off eBay. I highly recommend it. Also check out other videos that we did for some of the newer phones, and also put a comment in the comment section if you want to see another video review of another phone from eBay that we'll buy and review, and we'll do a lot more of these in the future from both eBay or Amazon. So hopefully you guys found this video helpful. If so, please click the like and subscribe button. See you guys next time.